normally we write our T here. We all have a different, T has two parts to it. Ek hota hai stem. Stem means this standing line. And ye hota hai crossbar. Ye hota hai crossbar. So we have different styles of writing the stem. Some of us write the stem like this. Some of us write the stem like this. Some of us write the stem like this. Some of them write the stem just like this. So no matter whatever is your stem, what is happening is all this while you are crossing your T bar here. Now we are asking you to cross it on the top. So what is changing here? Watch my fingers, everybody. What is changing here is the movement of your fingers. You see this movement? You see this movement? So when you're writing the squiggles, it is not the pattern which is going to help you. इसमें कोई power नहीं है. ये letter में कोई power नहीं है. ये pattern में कोई power नहीं है. लेकिन the way you're going to write that pattern, the way you're going to write that letter has the power. Are you able to understand? So it is not the letters which is changing your life. It is not the letters which is influencing your mind. It is the way you're writing those letters. This finger movement is most important part. Everybody do this? So this is a finger movement. So all of us are working towards getting this finger movements right. And the next question is, Imran, why is this finger movement so important? Why is this finger movement so important? So चलिए मैं उसका जवाब देने के लिए तैयार हूं. So now let me show you something called as graphotherapy और उसका definition हम लोग समझते हैं. चलिए. So when we look at the graphotherapy, this is what you will have an understanding of it. So ladies and gentlemen, on your screen yet again, amazing information related to what is graphotherapy. So I want you to read this with me. The research UCLA stands for University of California, Los Angeles, 1991, goes on to explain that by changing the movements of the index finger only, a total separate part of the brain was stimulated and produced different chemicals. A total separate part of the brain was stimulated and produced different chemicals. Did you know that only a fraction of a centimeter difference in the movement of your hand could produce and stimulate a different part of your brain? It can, and it does. After this research was released, there has been scientific laboratory evidence to support years of study of the science of handwriting analysis. The link between your handwriting and the stimulation of the brain is now very clear. How many of you are, amazed with this information? Imran, I never knew. I was writing graphotherapy. I was filling up pages, but I never knew the science behind this. You know what the movement of your fingers are doing? It is doing the same thing what a physical exercise does to your body. Why do we love it when we do exercises? You know why? There is a chemical which is released in your body, which is endorphins. It is actually helping you feel good. That's why you want to do more exercise. Are you all with me? What happens when you eat something which you really like? It actually stimulates certain emotions in your brain because there's certain chemicals which gets released. So every possible activity we do, the brain keeps on releasing chemicals. Some of the chemicals are good for your body. Some of the chemicals are actually helping you to recover faster. All these things is happening, and we are using the same methodology with your graphotherapy.